everybody, drum tech drummer and online educator Kenny Sharretts coming to you with a quick product review for the Evans UV2 Tom heads. Now, I was supposed to do this video right after NAMM about 2020, but then the world kind of exploded and then tours happened, and during that time, the set of heads they sent me, I kind of played them out. But luckily, I just got a brand new set of UV2s for my toms. You know why? Because it is hands down my favorite tom head on the market right now for pretty much any style of music I play, but definitely for rock, modern country, or big metal sounds, because there's just so much tone. They have the feel of a single-ply head, but the durability of a two-ply head. They have the bright attack of a single-ply head, but the full-body tone of a two-ply head. And this is what I'm loving about it, y'all. So in this video, I'm going to take you step-by-step online at kennysharretts.com, where you can stream the lesson where I show you how to tune these drums step-by-step to all of the different tunings that I'm going to do in this video today. But in the meantime, I'm going to demonstrate for you, the YouTube viewer, just why I love these UV Tom heads. So let's get to some drumming and hear what these sound like in the situation of, say, a song. Oh my God, these UV2s are making this drum set pop, y'all. I was already in love with the Rogers PowerTone kit, but now these drum heads take it to a whole new level to bring out the beauty of the shells and the beauty of the tuning that I'm trying. So let's take this step by step up to the next tuning, which is going to be a major third. We're going to raise the bottom head up just a few steps to where we get an interval of a major third between the two heads, major third between two heads here. Maintain the tuning interval between these two and see how these affect the tom tone. Solid, y'all. All right, y'all, so here we have the PowerTone toms tuned up to a major third with the bottom head a major third above where we had it before. So now we've got a major third on both these toms, and it keeps the interval at a perfect fourth, and they sound rich, but it's also tightened up. The sustain just a little bit. And so let's go ahead and do some drumming and hear how this PowerTone kit sounds amazing at this next tuning, y'all. I am absolutely loving this kit. Shall we? So good. Oh my God, I absolutely love these drum heads so much. They sound so good on pretty much any drum I've put them on, but on this PowerTone kit, it is screaming, ripping, y'all, so good. So let's take these bottom heads up to the next level, which is going to be a perfect fourth above where we have it right now at the major third, and keep the interval between these two like we have it. Perfect fourth, but make it a little bit tighter, more focused and aggressive sound. And now we can really hear these UV2s come to life simply by changing the bottom head's tension. Solid, y'all, let's get to it. Okay, y'all, so now we got these UV2s where we had them before, but the bottom head is now a perfect fourth above where we had it. So but by tuning both heads up the same amount of intervals, we maintain the interval between the toms. The eyes of Texas. However, you notice that the tom tone's a bit more focused, projects a bit more up into the microphone, so it seems a bit brighter, but the sustain is much tighter and shorter. simply by adjusting nothing, all of a sudden that extra buzz you heard when I had even tuning where the heads were just ringing away and ringing away, yeah, it's gone. And this is one of the reasons why I use it in the arenas, man. You got so much rumble going around in that place. They can make the snare go off in any way, shape, or form. And I don't want to choke the wires. So in this perfect fourth tuning, it allows me to have great projection, great tone, clean sustain. It sounds great for the mics and makes the kit sound more like a whole drum kit, y'all. So let's see what these UV2 heads sound like with the bottom head tuned a perfect fourth above, y'all. Rockin'. Oh man, oh man, oh man. See, this is my tuning. This is what I like. Makes the drum pop, makes me feel like it's throwing it back at me, gives me a lot of energy and a rich tone that sustains well, but not too much. That way, engineers don't have to put too much gates on my toms, y'all, and that I like. So I just gotta say, head to toe, these UV2s are still my favorite drum head on the market right now, much less two-ply drum head on the market for great rock tom sounds, great modern country tones, or a good funk tone. The durability is off the chain, and just, all I can say to you is I love these drum heads, y'all, especially for my toms. Now, I will say before we move on, I'm sorry I didn't do a UV2 on the snare, but I didn't have any new UV2s handy, and to be honest, the head I just put on this drum is killing, and I wanted to focus on the toms. Now, I was out on tour with the Decemberists this summer, taking care of John Moen. We put a UV2 on his wood snare, and I am telling you that CNC snare sounded amazing all the way across the tour. Please stick around and watch more videos on YouTube, Kenny Sharretts, for more product reviews, and if you want the step-by-step drum tuning lesson, for this toms, to learn how I got it from ground to sound, including taking the bottom head from zero all the way through these three tunings, man, please stream the step-by-step lesson at kennysharretts.com to help support my YouTube channel.